Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add Google Map link on your Instagram. So first thing that you have to do is open the Google Map application, and after that you just need to find the locations that you want to share into your Instagram, and after you find it you just need to copy the link by click this share, and after that you just need to go click copy, and then you will got the link. And now you just need to go back and let's open our Instagram account. And after you open it, make sure that you are jump into the profile section, and whenever you are in a profile you just need to go click edit profile. In this edit profile, you just need to jump into the links over here, and then you just need to go click it, and now you can go click add external link, and now you just need to paste the link over here. And after that you can also add the title. For example, you just need to type the direction, and after you found it you just need to go click done. Now you just need to wait until the link is generated into your profile, and you will get the Google Map link over here, and then when someone click it, you will be generated into the Google Map that you want to share. So that's the way how to add a Google Map on your Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.